When your outerwear and insulated layers stops shedding water, it's time to reproof it with Revivex Wash-In Water Repellent. This PFAS-free formula restores water resistance to rainwear, insulated layers, and soft-shell jackets without affecting breathability. It's as easy as tossing your gear in the washer. Follow the care instructions from your garment's manufacturer and add 1 capful per garment of wash-in water repellent to the fabric softener compartment of your washing machine. Or if you prefer to hand wash, add water and a capful of wash-in to a bin or bucket of clean water and soak. When hand washing, work it through so the treatment bonds evenly across the fabric. Air dry or tumble dry on medium heat to activate the finish and lock in water repellency. Once treated, water beads up and rolls off, so your gear stays light and dry when the weather turns. Revivex Wash-In Water Repellent. Keep the wet out and the adventure going. Discover the full Revivex lineup online or at an outdoor retailer near you.